Those are those buses that I saw on the internet, right? What are they called?
Matatu.
Matatu.
Yeah.
And so who does the designs on them, huh?
There's a designer who does all the graffiti, painting, and what have you.
Yeah, but is it one or is it?
There's so many.
Different.
Yeah.
They do different designs on it.
Yeah, right? Different designs. And different routes, definitely.
And different routes. Naivas. See the boss there. Ed, you see it?
Yeah, man.
The general there. Alright, we'll cut and go through. But those vehicles, what they call?
Matatu.
Matatu.
Yes.
It's a thing on the internet, you know, people.
Yeah,
The designs,
like
they like,
graffiti,
yeah.
You know, they have like screens. You might find car has like 10 screens.
Right.
Playing loud music.
Right.
Yeah.
No, but
That's the culture, actually.
Yeah. The graffiti is celebrated as a form of Kenyan art.
And
Yeah,
actually,
yeah.
the thing is, the governor of Nairobi, you know, has said, you know, embraces the culture of, you know, graffiti and.
Really?
Yeah, unlike other governors.
Right.
Sakaja.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's celebrated, it's acknowledged and celebrated here.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool,
Yeah.
because I'm sure it's some young kids who, it's some young youth who do it, right?
Exactly. Yeah,
And
it's art.
It's
you know,
art, right? It's art, and it's
art.
very, very beautiful and informative,
Exactly. Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And again, what are they called?
Matatu.
Matatu.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
man.
there's what called Matatu culture, whereby they have
Matatu culture.
Yes, they have all this graffiti, you know, music. They have very loud music. It's
Okay.
very nice, yeah.
So they can check them out on the internet then.
Definitely, yes. And
Okay.
you're gonna experience them yourself.
Huh?
You'll experience them yourself.
Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm going in one.
Inside that car.
Okay. I do. I want to. All right. Me, yo, one thing with a song, yeah, in action, you know. Nah, dead, you know, man. The ultimate crossover song, action. Huh? What that?
Who says I have to them?
What? What about your name? What about your name? What the boss name? Man, yo, people, a man arrange vitamin S. You love dancehall music, don't you? Kinara.
Yeah.
Kinara.
Let's go in.
Enter inside.
Huh?
Enter inside. Enter inside.
Oh, alright. Alright, people, man, go check out Kinara. See it there?
Yeah, man.
Boss. People, this is called Matuto. Tell them.
Matatu.
No, Matatu.
Yeah, man.
Matatu. Yeah, man, I saw them hype up them bus, you know? Oh, come on.
Tonight me and you the whole night, yo. Satisfaction and every girl dream. When up put it on, and every girl and scream. Well, we get a call from sexy Maxine. She never get it from me outside machine.
I wanna do this and make it so. Only 1, 2, 3, how many? I wanna do the time to the bed. I got that in time.
Good on.
Pressure for people. People are suffer cause nothing not one. Young in a Jamaica, no big nigga man. When the government them fi good and keep calm. We know the ganja farm, we know the what is happening in the country.
Raga! Raga! Raga!
poor people. People are suffer cause nothing down. People are suffer cause nothing. People are suffer cause nothing down. Come in at Jamaica,
Huh?
Take a right.
Yeah. Are all the matatu are they all like this?
Matatu. I'm a Stephen Walker.
No, but
I'm
they ask him if they're all like this one.
Not all of them.
Not all this one, but this one is just hype.
This one is better. This one is better than
Most people like it.
the number one Matatu in Kenya. This one.
This is the number one matatu
Number
in
one
Kenya.
Matatu. In the world, not in Kenya.
In the world.
Even California knows it's the number one.
So like the system inside and the video and thing like that.
27 million cash money.
7 million.
7 million?
Yeah.
What?
This is around 900,000.
Oh,
This is the music.
huh?
The music though is almost 900,000.
Oh, you mean the system? The system, the set.
System is 100 million.
Oh,
The guy is 47 million.
okay. Huh?
$50,000
$50,000 US for the setup in there. The video and everything. No. It's crazy. See? Yeah. Thunder. Thunder. The best matatu.
The pure English is thunder. The Jamaican English is thunder.
Thunder.
Yeah.
No, in Jamaica we say thunder.
Jamaica, thunder.
Thunder. In English we say thunder.
Thunder.
Thunder. And how you say it in Kiswahili?
Kiswahili.
How you say it?
Daddy.
Thunder. What?
Daddy. You say daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy? For thunder? How you say it in Spain? What? How you go?
Swahili.
Thunder?
In
Radi.
Kiswahili is radi.
Radi. Yeah, is that it in Sheng too? Huh? Pure Swahili. Pure Swahili. Pure Swahili. This is crazy. I mean, in Jamaica you have buses with system, but nothing like this.
No graphics.
Nothing like this. This is
Peter Tosh. You know Peter Tosh?
yeah, I know Peter Tosh. You know Peter Tosh?
No Peter Tosh.
You like Peter Tosh music?
I know the foundation of Jamaica.
You know what?
I know the foundation of Jamaica.
The foundation of Jamaica.
The Caribbean island. There was a slave. The Danby said of slave people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, thunder is crazy though.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. I've never seen anything like that. I never see it there. You like Jamaican music?
I love Jamaica. But we have a promised land, Ethiopia.
Huh? Ethiopia. Ethiopia.
Where was his empire, Il Selassie.
Right.
Yeah,
So you want to go to Shashamani?
yeah, I'm going to Shamani.
You're going to Shashamani.
Promised land, all Rasta people.
Promised land for Rasta people.
Ethiopia is our promised land according to our history.
Right.
Rasta people.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
If you're Rastafarian, it's free to go Ethiopia.
Right.
No passport, no.
So you consider yourself Rasta?
Yeah, I'm a Rasta.
Yeah, Rasta. Okay, good.
Pure 100%.
Okay. So you worked under?
Yeah, I'm working for this city. This is our job.
Oh,
We take the people, we say like this one. Beba.
How do you do that?
what?
How do you do that? I'm going to record you. Just do that.
No. Him load the bus, I'm work on the bus. Does he?
He's the one who did the job.
Does he work on the bus or does he load the bus?
I'm working under circle. Under circle.
What that mean?
Owns the car.
Him
He's
own it.
employed by this company. He owns this car.
Oh, okay. See? Yeah.
So back to Jamaica, this express in Kenya.
Yeah.
Express in Kenya. Okay.
Beba. And the white people have the technology, but they cannot make something like this.
Huh?
The white people, they have technology, but they cannot make something like this.
Okay.
For the system.
Right, right. And you build it and put it together. I see the creativity. I see the creativity.
They have creativity, but they have the thing. They have the item, but they cannot make it. They have the
Okay. I leave. Them I leave now. Is he leaving now?
If you want to go to one trip, we're gonna go one
This is
trip.
the front end of the record.
Huh?
Take one step, you record. And you see many.
You want to go there?
One trip.
Like the front there, you can see the front.
You can. At the Karen.
It's okay, we're going back.
Hata runga na ule tao na uende kare.
Up to Bomas.
Runga ione mpaka inabeba urudi.
And then you come back. Freedom will follow us up to where we go.
And then I ride in the bus?
Yeah.
I'm okay? All right. I'm riding at the bus.
Beba.
What you say, Biba?
You're going Rongai and
Wallace. Video me.
Beba, just
Biba. One angle.
Ragashanti there.
Radio. Put up.
Beba, oine.
Work. Biba.
Carrying a conductor.
Mweleze.
Radio. Work. Then we laugh. Never wrong guy. Never wrong guy. Yeah.
16 and 10.
Yes.
Before 16 and 10 was 11, 10.
Yes.
When the strip trade was very high.
Yes.
The strip trade started by Arab people.
Yes.
By English people, by Arab people.
That's true.
They take us in Arab and then they cast us in and they spread it
That's
fast.
true. Yes.
But those slavery were doing it and the American, not American was sick. Everybody was sick. We don't love Arab people. We love white people. But I hate the Arab. Those They say long for long time.
1619, there was 11 there. There was Arab people doing it. Black people.
They take us
The
through.
Black Africa.
The Black Africa. But those Arab people, they came to grab our land. Egypt.
Viva, 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 viva!
Viva, viva, yes, sir.
Viva, 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 viva!
Viva, viva.
I don't want to take, man. I don't want to take. Take that one, man. Sure. I don't want to take. Come in, take that one. Man, you take that
Hiyo channel yake Ragashanti.
Ragashanti iko Jamaica hapo.
Ragashanti.
Iko huko Jamaica.
Ja, New York.
New York. New Jersey.
New York. Ini sana. This is African graffiti. Ini graffiti. Creativity African.
Cheki, wacha mambo kimoja. Beba jesa. Beba jesa beba.
The one about to. Batu.
We got even Batman. We got even Superman.
Even Matatu.
Come and interview a driver.
No, I just want to see the art. Yeah, man, respect.
outside, you can.
Okay.